Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining one more time. This is a Saturday morning, and it's really nice. There is a great breeze, especially over here on this shade from this tree. We are in the back of Old City Towing, their yard located on 45th Avenue, 45th Street, and University. We are picking up a client's a client's car, I guess an accident. We are just waiting for them to open. They open at 8. We are just waiting for the client to make the payment, pay their fees, and get the car out, so we can take it to his house or wherever he wants to take it. I think his car is a Jeep and he's missing some wheels and tires. That's why we brought this big boy over here. Oop. But yeah, as always, I told you, I think I've told you before, if you get into an accident, God's willing, that doesn't happen to you. But if you do, and it's not a major thing, you are not that you are unable to you have to go to the hospital, probably, hopefully not. If it is minor accident and you have the chance to get a towing, that is different from the ones that PD calls, it's better, because that way you will save the fees from the towing company to take it over here to their yard, and then all the days that the car is going to be in the yard, that you will have to pay for those. Later on you will have to pay a tow truck to take it from here to wherever you want to take it. So if you can use a tow service right in the spot where you got the accident, or where the car is broken, I suggest that you do that. And if that is the case, who you should call? This number over here. So we are just here in the back waiting for the Jeep to come. ¿Qué le pasó al carro?
Lo choqué, me pegó a alguien y se me fui y le pegué a una barda.
Uy, ¿y quedó usted inhabilitado o
Todo.
el carro?
Va a pagar. Ahí está el vídeo.
Oh, ok. Oh, sí, el que está allí, yo creo que ya lo estaba viendo. I think it's that one over there. Sí, ese es el problema. Sí, por eso también traemos el gato que lo usamos para eso.
Lo levanta y lo pone en rueda, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí. Es un poco más trabajo, pero bueno.
Ya.
Normalmente no. Yo creo que aquí en las subastas, o las experiencias que he tenido, no los ponen en el forklift. Hemos ido a las subastas de carros y ahí sí te lo suben.
Oh, sí,
ahí.
eso. Oye, ¿qué te iba a preguntar? ¿Hay una subasta por la 51 Avenida y la Pacay?
Esa es la Coport, yo creo que se llama Coport.
Ajá. ¿Cómo podría agarrar uno un carro ahí?
Ok, yo no sé mucho de esa, pero de hecho, uno de los videos que hice que he estado haciendo, pero que aún no he subido a YouTube, es respecto a las subastas. Ahí compramos un carro. Entonces esa subasta se llama IAA,
Oh, sí,
Insurance Auto Auction.
Sí. Está un lente claro y lo está aquí atrás en la subasta. Ya sé dónde. Pero
Ajá. El proceso para obtener hay que comprar una membresía, que la última vez que la compramos, una membresía anual cuesta $200. Y entonces con esa membresía ya uno tiene acceso o puede apostar en las subastas por el carro, o la forma que nosotros lo hacemos es comprar al siguiente día que ellos hacen la subasta. Hay unos carros que están disponibles que dicen comprar ahora, y ahí vemos, y ahí vemos los precios y todo.
Ahí salen buenos carritos.
¿qué?
Esta es la aplicación IAA Buyer. Y ahí nosotros compramos los carros. Okay, so this is the car. We are trying to deal, over here, trying to get it up so it makes our job a little bit easier, because we didn't consider that. that it was missing a tire when we gave the quote. Otro palo. Más. Y el gato no lo podíamos haber puesto ahí ya, Bob. I think we should have put the jack before. Okay, we are just doing a maneuver over here that the gentleman was telling us. He drives a truck at his work. He's been doing it for 20 some years. Ahí estaba bien, tenía razón usted. Because we were trying to just put it backing up from there, but this thing on the bottom was going to hit this metal part over here. So he said that if we like tilt a little bit and go first like one tire from the back at the time, that would make it higher. So we are just learning something new today, you know, to maneuver everything. Here is the crash car.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow, call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. never stopping searching, yeah, it's burning. All this passion hurts me. I took action working.
And we are done with the first trip. It's already done, so we are heading to the second one. We're getting a Hummer now. I think it's close to a mountain or a mountain parking lot. I should have brought probably the drone and take some shots over there, but I didn't. So I will show you that some other time, some drone footage. But anyways, this trip was great. The guy was amazing, really kind. It was a good trip. He gave us some straps and taught us some lessons on how to park it backing up. And my dad didn't know, and I didn't know even less. So yeah, that was good. We'll see you really soon on the next pickup. So this is the second car today, a Hummer, huge. We are just going to take it to the client's house. I think it was the belt that broke. But yeah, that could be all. We are heading for our second trip now. And I think there is a third one. We might be picking up a truck that we already made a video on. Huge truck. So if that happens, you will see it. See you soon. So the second trip is completed, mission accomplished. So that should give us some more street cred, right? Like GTA, right, Samuel? So
Buen jale.
this is all. Buen jale. ¿Qué dice?
Todos los cubanos.
¿Qué dice ahí el cliente?
Buen jale.
Muchas gracias.
Mis amigos.
Muchas gracias. Ahí nos pueden seguir en Facebook, en YouTube, en Google, todos esos lugares. Y ahí, por ahí nos pueden contactar.
Recomendados estos señores. Buen trabajo.
Muchas gracias, se lo agradezco. Okay, street cred, right? Street cred, that's what we got. There you go. You just heard it from the client itself, right on the spot. I didn't expect that actually, but there you go. So, give us a call. So everybody, this is all for today. We got done 2 trips. It was good. We had a few more, but they are going to be pushed up to tomorrow because the foot was hurting a little bit. So it was possible to do it tomorrow. So they will be done tomorrow. But this is good. Thank you again for reaching till the end of the video. That was a surprise actually with that client, expressing how he feels about our services. Unexpected. I didn't see it coming. But yeah, there you go. You just saw it, straight from the person, right in the spot. We just dropped his car and he said what he thought, I guess. So don't hesitate to give us a call and let us know if you have any problems with your car, especially in the heat of Phoenix. It's gonna get so much hotter, and cars sometimes don't like that very much. So give us a call, 602-491-6807. Let us know what you need, and we'll be there in minutes to help you out. As always, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers and 25,000 hours of watch videos, and let's see what happens from there. But for now, just subscribe. Let me know if you have any other questions, and see you.